In today's episode, we will learn how to talk about your plans in English. Plans are things you decide to do. They can be small or big. For example, I plan to go out. I plan to study. These are plans. Part 2. Talking about today's plans. You can talk about today. You can say, I plan to relax today. I will finish my work. I am going to study. For example, I am going to rest today. Part 3. Talking about tomorrow's plans. People often talk about tomorrow. You can say, I will call you tomorrow. I am going to work tomorrow. I plan to visit a friend. For example, I will study tomorrow. Part 4. Talking about weekend plans. Weekend plans are common. You can say, I have plans this weekend. I am going out. I will stay at home. For example, I will relax this weekend. Part 5. Talking about future plans. Future plans are for later. You can say, I want to travel. I plan to learn new skills. I want to improve my life. For example, I plan to learn English better. Part 6. Talking about going somewhere. Plans often include places. You can say, I am going to the market. I will visit my family. I plan to go to the park. For example, I am going to visit my friend. Part 7. Talking about time. Time is important. You can say, I will go at 5. I plan to leave early. I will start in the morning. For example, I will leave at 6. Part 8. Asking about someone's plans. You can ask, what are your plans? What will you do tomorrow? Do you have plans this weekend? For example, what are your plans for today? Part 9. Responding naturally. You can answer simply. You can say, I have plans. I am not sure yet. I will decide later. For example, I am not sure yet. Part 10. Talking about changes. Plans can change. You can say, my plans changed. I will do it later. I can't go now. For example, my plans changed today. Part 11. Simple plan conversation. Person 1. What are your plans today? Person 2. I will study and relax. Person 1. That sounds good. Part 12. Useful plan phrases. Here are some useful phrases. I will. I'm going to. I plan to. For example, I'm going to study tonight. Part 13. Daily life examples. At home, I will clean. At work, I will finish my tasks. In the evening, I will relax. Part 14. Gentle Encouragement. Talking about plans is simple. You do not need perfect English. Short sentences are enough. Everyone talks about plans every day. This is a great way to practice English. It is okay to say, I will go. I'm going to study. I plan to relax. These sentences are simple and useful. Now you know how to talk about your plans in English. Practice these sentences slowly. Use them in real conversations. Listen again if you need to. In the next episode, we will learn how to talk about your experiences in English. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. You are doing great.